Kadamba tree is associated with Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna used to play his flute under the Kadam tree. All the activities in his childhood were done near this tree. The Kadam tree is a favorite among many gods and goddesses. Goddess Durga is believed to reside in the Kadamba forest. Kadam tree is mentioned in most of the Indian mythological and historical literature. So, this tree is associated with Lord Krishna. Commonly known as Kadam or Kadambam in locally, burflower tree, lychard pine is an evergreen tropical tree native to South and Southeast Asia. Kadam trees are most suitable for avenues and parks. Besides reforestation programs for timber and paper, the fruit and inflorescence are reportedly edible. The flowers are used in a sandalwood-based perfume attar. The fresh leaves are fed to cattle. This tree is native to India and also frequently appears in Lord Krishna stories. The oldest name for Madurai, Kadambavan, was due to the dominance of these trees. Even today, these Kadam trees are found to grow commonly in the deciduous forest in and around the Madurai district.